This video I will explain freelancing versus part-time jobs. Which one is better? Many people want to earn extra money or gain experience. And two common options are freelancing and part-time jobs. Both can help you to build skills and earn income, but they work in very different ways. We will see what it is. Now we will see what is freelancing. Freelancing means you are self-employed. You work for yourself and take up projects from different clients or companies. You are usually paid per project, task, or hour. You decide when, where, and how you work. Common freelance work includes writing, graphic design, web development, tutoring, and digital marketing. The key point is you are your own boss. Now we will see what is a part time job. A part time job means you are officially employed by a company or organization, but you work fewer hours than a full time employee. You may work a fixed shift such as evening, weekends, or set number of hours per week. You get a regular salary or hourly wage. Common part time jobs include cashier, waiter, sales associate, office assistant, or delivery driver. Key point is you work under an employer with fixed rules. What are the pros of freelancing? First point is flexibility. You can choose your working hours. Second point is freedom. You can select which clients or projects to work on. Third point is unlimited earning potential. If you take more projects, you can earn more. Fourth point is work from anywhere. Many freelancing jobs can be done online. What are the cons of freelancing? First point is unstable income. Some months you may earn well and other months very little. Second point is no fixed benefits. You usually don't get health insurance, paid leave, or job security. Third point is self management. You must find clients, manage deadlines, and handle everything yourself. What are the pros of part time jobs? First point is steady income. You get regular pay every week or month. Second point is work experience. Helps you to learn teamwork, discipline, and communication. Third point is benefits. Some companies give part time workers discounts or small perks. Fourth point is less responsibility. You only do the task given by your employer. What are the cons of part time jobs? First point is less freedom. You must follow fixed schedules and company rules. Second point is limited earning potential. Your income is capped by hourly wage or salary. Third point is fewer opportunities to grow quickly. Raises or promotions may take time. Now we will see which one is better. You have to choose freelancing if you want flexibility, independence, and are comfortable with some financial risk. It is great for people who like working online and building skills independently. You have to choose part-time job if you want stability, regular pay, and work experience in a structured environment. It is great for students or beginners who want a steady income while learning discipline. Now we will see the final thought. Both freelancing and part-time jobs can be valuable depending on your goals. If you prefer freedom and independence, freelancing may suit you better. If you prefer stability and structure, a part time job may be the right choice.